readers. So today as writers, we have been really working hard on researching and becoming experts on our animals. And today we are at the part of the writing process where we're really trying to create a lead that's going to grab the reader's attention. And we learned about 2 specific leads today that we were going to try out in our writer's notebook. One of them was a fact lead, and we really looked closely at Steve Jenkins and how he included unique, interesting facts that many of us might not know about. And he included those in his lead, and they really got us thinking and wanting to read more about the topic of bones. And then we can't forget about how Nicola Davies, she included this lead that grabbed our attention with these giant man-eating killer questions. And we were hooked immediately. We wanted to read more. So I was wondering if anybody would be willing to share some leads that they tried out on their animal and what those might sound like. So, True, would you go ahead and get us started, sweetheart? What animal are you researching?
The giant panda.
Okay, so let's listen. True, don't tell us what kind of lead we're going to try to figure out if we can determine what lead that True tried out in her piece about the panda. All right?
Near the Rocky Mountains of China, have you ever seen a giant panda doing a handstand against a tree? Or even a panda touching its head with its hind legs? Well, pandas do these things to relax.
What are you noticing? Donna, what are you noticing about her lead?
She's asked a question.
How many questions? Just one?
2.
No. What were your 2 questions you asked us, True?
I lost it, but there we go. Have you ever seen a giant panda doing a handstand against a tree, or even a panda or touching its head with its hind legs?
You're not going to believe this. When I was meeting with True today, I learned 2 things I never knew about pandas.
They're really flexible.
They are completely flexible, and they do those things to relax. They stand on their heads and they take their hind legs and they take their legs and they can touch their head with them. So I love how True found really interesting facts about a topic and use those to create a lead that's going to hook the reader. Okay? So as readers, it's really important to be researching, but as writers, it's important to take what we're reading and turn those interesting facts into questions or fact leads that are going to hook the reader and make them want to read about your topic. Because I can tell you, when I heard True's lead, I thought, man, there's a lot about pandas that I never ever knew. And I want to read more about them because of her lead. Okay? So I can't wait tomorrow for us to try out 2 more types of leads, and then you get to pick your favorite one to add in to your informational piece. Okay? All right, third graders, you can head back to your seats.